So, hello Alex, what are you doing today?
Well, today we are trying to get this monster truck all the way from there to here.
Hold on.
And make a huge jump.
I see. And what is this?
Oh, that's a Lego piece to hold it up. Well,
Let me see.
It's a little Lego piece to hold it up.
I see. So, is it working?
I don't know. We haven't tried it.
Okay. So
Let's try it.
Hmm.
Yeah, should we? Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work.
Uh-oh, it's falling apart.
It's falling.
Ah, that's why. It has a big bump.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Come on. See.
This is going to be part 1 or part 2?
So let's see. What if we move this one back a little?
And if you guys notice, we're in the garage.
Let's see. So we need.
This is a big tank.
So let's see. We need to keep this steady and
Look,
equalized.
there's a big gap. There's a big gap.
And now?
Oh!
Now I get it. There needs to be. It can't just be flat. It needs something under there.
There's nothing in the box. There's only just these monster trucks. Which one is your favorite monster truck? Which is your favorite monster truck? Let in the comments below. And what is this big bump here for? What is this big bump?
This one?
Yes.
Well, for that one, I don't know. It's just there to keep the car from getting dumped.
So then, like, what if it goes like this? Hold on.
There's another triangle piece.
And then what if it goes like this? And then moves. And it goes, and it goes, and it goes, and it goes. And it goes. And then what if it crashes?
I don't know, but we're trying to make this jump right here. Okay, probably.
Or go like this. Oh! And then what if it breaks?
So right now, let's see. Can you pass me that?
Okay. Here we go.
And now we need something to keep that stable.
Oh. Maybe this?
No. Like this car right here.
Show me the car.
A little Lego City car.
Okay. What's inside the box?
A bunch of Legos.
Hold it. This is a. Look at this one. It's so cool.
But not cool enough. How about one more like this one?
Wow, that's cool. Which one is your favorite Lego?
We got some fire truck.
And we also got
Green
yeah, we also got Dusty.
And we have another little one right here, which is some Roadhog cars. Some weird car.
Baby car. And you guys know we have a Tonka helicopter, fire helicopter. So which one is your favorite vehicle?
Tell us and like and subscribe.
And leave in the comments down below which toy do you like from this box.
Well, that will be the end of our video today. Please like and subscribe.
And these are the famous YouTube videos.